True companions. Once in a village there was a deep well into which a monkey accidentally fell. The poor animal could not come out, no matter how hard he tried. The villagers became worried. If the monkey died inside the well, they would no longer be able to use its water. After discussing the matter, they decided to call a man who was specially skilled at going down into deep well. They requested him to climb down and rescue the monkey. The man agreed, but he put forward two conditions. He said, first, bring a wooden basket and tie it with a strong rope so that you can pull me up once I go down into the well. Second, call my brothers to hold the rope. Only they will be responsible for pulling me up safely when I bring the monkey out. The villagers were surprised. They said, why don't you trust us? We are standing here in such a large crowd. But the man insisted, and the villagers had no choice but to fulfill his demands. They called his brothers, who came immediately and firmly held the rope. The man then went down into the well. There he placed the monkey inside the wooden basket and signaled to his brothers to pull them up. When the monkey reached just 2 feet below the surface, it suddenly jumped out of the basket. The villagers panicked and ran in fear, thinking the monkey might attack them. But the man's brothers did not loosen their grip. They continued to pull until the man also came safely out of the well. The man then called out, stop! Listen to me. As the villagers gathered, he said, now you have seen why I asked for my brothers. In the moment of danger, all of you ran away, but my brothers held on tightly. People may leave you in difficult times, but brothers do not. And so the story ends. It is said that true brothers never leave you in your hard times. So his brothers proved for him true companions. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel and follow for more interesting stories. Thank you so much. Take care.